Our giggle alarm clock just went off, meaning the joke of the day will come out any second now. This one's called Technology Hiccups.
Sylvia got a bit frustrated when her company's automated phone system directory completely garbled her last name. Determined to fix it, she called up the technician in charge.
Hi there. The phone system's automated voice keeps mispronouncing my last name. Would you be able to correct it, please?
Sorry, ma'am. All correction requests must be submitted via email.
Great. Okay. Now, can you tell me how to email the correct pronunciation of Straßenheimefeld?